All right. Hello, everyone out there on YouTube land. This is Nencito from nenecitosart, and as you can tell, this is an update of my latest sculpture. It's Bruce Lee turned into the Enter the Dragon version. Keep in mind, it's still a work in progress. I added the hair. Still working on the hair, eyebrows, they'll be sculpted, and of course your eyes are still being redefined and sculpted. But I went ahead and I added the white primer, and then I added a base coat of peach, and then the cheeks I add a little bit of mixed a little bit of just a little bit of chocolate brown, and I dry brushed the cheeks on there. I'm going to add a little bit more peach on top of it to get the parts I miss. Make sure it's filled out correctly. Of course, I still have to add the ears. The lips, I mixed a little bit of chocolate brown with peach, and I added the lips. I took a paper towel and erased some of the excess. So the lips won't be too pronounced, but I think I'm gonna probably add another layer of peach on top of the lips and dry it out because I think they're a little bit too pronounced. Keep in mind, this is my very first attempt of doing a likeness of a character. I know it doesn't look like I'm 100% accurate, but I think it's pretty good for my first attempt. Once I get this done, I will show again and keep you posted, and then I'll start working on the body, and I'll keep you posted on the body as it comes along. I decided to do it this way and not do like an actual time lapse because, to be honest, my camera phone doesn't have it's not good when it comes to memory. And it is time consuming doing sculptures. But believe me, once I get myself situated and get better equipment, like a decent camera, I'll start making time-lapse videos of sculptures. Hopefully not in the not too distant future. Thank you for your support. Just keep supporting me, and as long as you support me, I'll make sure to bring you more sculptures and sketches and drawings in the future, how-tos. All right. If you can, don't forget to give a like, to subscribe, and ring the bell for notification, letting you know when a new video is coming out. Once again, thank you for your time. God bless. You have a good day. Thank you.